Okay. Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, there is a small request, sir.
చెప్పమ్మా.
ఒకసారి మీ కాంటాక్ట్ నెంబర్ షేర్ చేస్తారా సార్? వాట్సాప్ గ్రూప్ క్రియేట్ చేస్తాను.
ఓకేనమ్మా, నేను ఇస్తాను. ఓకే అమ్మా.
నా గురించి వదిలేరా, నువ్వు ముందే నీ మ్యూజిక్ చేస్తుంది.
ఓకే. నౌ okay. Till yesterday we studied in the first class why we use number system, and second one is decimal system and different base systems, and we learned how to convert a number in any base system into decimal system. In yesterday's class, we learned how to convert any decimal number into a number of any base. R means any base. Any base. Okay, we learned these three things. And now I will ask some questions from the previous class. Okay. Rule number 20, Akhil. Okay. Akhil, respond. Rule number 20. Amma, ఏం చేస్తున్నావు? Rule number 20. Are you there or not? Rule number 17.
Yes, sir.
What is mean by bit?
Sorry, sir.
What is mean by bit?
Quit.
Bit. B-I-T.
It's like a binary number, sir. Binary base.
Binary base. No. Okay. In binary number system, we have two digits, 0 and 1. Okay. Each digit known as bit. Each digit known as bit. Okay. Okay, ma. Sindhuja, what is mean by word? Rule number 11. What is mean by word? Respond. If you know. What is mean by word?
16 bits.
16 bits. Okay. Yeah. Group of 16 bits known as word. Okay. Byte means 8 bits. Nibble means 4 bits. Like that. Now, okay. In today's class, we will go with octal and hexadecimal system, and also radix point. We'll discuss about these things. Octal and hexadecimal system. Octal system nothing but base 8 system. Octal system nothing but base 8 system. We know base 8 system rules. What are the rules, amma? Base 8 system rules em undali? Okay, Jagdishwar Reddy, rule number 28. Can you tell me what are the rules for the base 8 systems? Base 8 number system rules enti? Okay. Jagdishwar Reddy, 28. Unmute yourself and answer. Priyanka, 32. What happened? Priyanka, unmute cheyandamma, unmute chesi answer cheyandi. Base 8 system rules. Base 8 system rules are two rules. We know generally a digit.
Hello, sir.
Cheppamma.
This is roll number 28, sir.
Cheppu.
Base 8 rule is like the number should be between 0 to 7 and the power is like you multiply by 8 power rule.
Correct, amma. Right. Okay. Okay. First rule is digit in the base 8 number system should be between 0 to 7. Second one is each digit has weight power of 8. Each digit has weight as power of 8. Okay, this is already we studied. Okay, now similarly hexadecimal system. Hexadecimal system. Hexadecimal system, nothing but base 16. Hexadecimal system, nothing but base 16. Now we know according to this what should be the rules. First rule is the numbers should be between 0 to 15. Each number should be each digit in the base 16 number should be between 0 to 15. And second one, and each digit has weight power of 16. Weight is power of 16. And here the problem is 0, 1 up to 9 we know. But if you write the number, okay, 10 here again it is having 1 and 0. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. For these, we use different symbols instead of this 10, 12, 10, 11, 12 digits. What are those letters? We use capital A for the 10, capital B for the 11, capital C for the 12, D for the 13, E for the 14, F for the 15. F for the 15. Okay. In the hexadecimal system, what you need to understand is after digit 9, we use alphabets for representing 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. Alphabets like capital A, capital B, capital C, D, E, F. So in hexadecimal system, okay, I am writing one table like decimal digit is on left side, hexadecimal representation on right side. Okay, 0 in the decimal will be 0 only in hexadecimal, 1 will be 1 only, 9 will be 9 only. But 10 in the decimal will be represented as capital A, 11 will be represented as capital B, 12 capital C, 13 capital D, 14 capital E, capital F. Okay, this is the hexadecimal representation. Now we will see some examples of hexadecimal system, because base 8 system examples already we have seen. So hexadecimal system examples now we will see. Now a number is given like this: 1A base 16. Okay, 1A base 16. Okay, now what is the value of this number? Value nothing but we need to find its decimal value. We need to find its decimal value. Procedure is same. We need to identify the positions from right to left with starting letter starting 0. This position is 1. A position is 0. I am representing P for the position, and weights is power of 16. So this is 16 power of 0. This is 16 power of 1. Finding the value nothing but multiplying weights with its digit. 16 power of 1 into 1 plus 16 power of 0 into A. A nothing but 10. A nothing but 10. And 16 plus 62 power of 0. Whatever may be the number, power of 0 nothing but 1 only. 1 into 10. 10. So it is 26. So 1A is nothing but 26 in decimal. Okay. Okay. Now find out its value, all of you. Find out its value. Value nothing but its decimal number. Find out 1FB16. All of you do and tell me the answer.
507 to the base 10, sir.
5 not ఎంతమ్మా
507 sir.
507.
507. Okay. Okay. Okay, Amma. It is normal procedure only. Give the position values to the each digit. B position value is 0, F position value 1, 1 position value 2. B weight is 16 power of 0, 16 power of 1, 6 to power of 2. Okay. Now multiply each weight with this digit and find out the value. Okay. Here F means 15, B means 2, 11. B means 11. Okay. And find out the answer. Okay. This is some introduction about the hexadecimal system. Okay. Now we are moving to the new topic, radix point. Radix point. Now, till now, we are converting a number which is integer. Generally, it is a integer. Okay, generally it is integer. Okay, into any base like that we are going. Now, radix point nothing but the point which separates integer and fraction value. Left side we have integer, right side we have fraction. Radix point nothing but the point which separates integer and fraction. Integer and fraction. Okay. Generally in our decimal system 23.75. Okay. This point is our radix point. Okay. Or the decimal point which separates 23 is integer, 75 is fraction, 0.75 is fraction. Okay, which separates integer and fraction. Now 23.75, it is a decimal number. Okay. Now, how to find its value? How to find its value? The finding the value, we need to do the two things. First one is identifying the position value. Next one is identifying the weight of digit. These are the two things we need to do. And first one is position value. We know if it is integer, we know take only integer part. 23 is integer part. We know we start with position 0, 1 and so on. If you are moving to the left side, you will increase by 1. So 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. And when you are going to the left side, you have to go with -1. You have to decrease. 0 decrease by 1, so -1. Decrease by another one, -2, and so on. And the position weights also same. Each digit has position weight power of 10. So this is 10 to the power of -2, weight 10 to the power of -1, 10 to the power of 0, 10 to the power of 1. And finding the value nothing but multiplying each digit with its weight. So okay, 10 to the power of 1 into 2 plus 10 to the power of 0 into 3 plus 7 into 10 to the power of minus 1 plus 5 into 10 to the power of minus 2. Now, if you add 20 plus 3 plus 0.7 plus 0.05. 0.05, it will become 23.75. Okay. Okay, this is the procedure for handling radix point. Okay, now we need to understand two things with the radix point also. One is, first one is, whatever may be the number with the radix point and whatever may be the base, R means any base number, we need to convert into the base 10. We need to know this process once. And second process is, whatever may be the decimal number with the fraction, we need to convert into a number of any base. We need to discuss about these two things. Okay, first we will go with the first one, converting. Okay, the number which is having integer and fraction known as real number. A number which is having fraction and real part known as fraction and integer part known as real number. So now we are dealing with real numbers. Okay, real numbers, how to convert from any base into the decimal. First we are going to deal with that one. Okay, Nama?
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. Now, first problem, 138.138.27 base 9. This is a real number of base 9. Find out its value. Finding its value, nothing but same process we have to do. Step 1 is identify the position value. Okay. We know how to do for the integer part. Integer part is here 138. So start with the integer part. Position value of 8 is 0, 3 is 1, 1 is 2. Now, after this radix point, okay, the position value of 2 is, when you are moving right side, the value will be decreased, -1. The position value of 7 is -2. Then identify the weights. Okay, this is the position value of each digit. 7th digit position value is -2, 2 is -1, like that. Next, weight. Okay, weight is nothing but power of 9 with respect to the position value. Position value is -2, so the weight is 9 to the power of -2. This position weight is 9 to the power of -1. This weight is 0, 9 to the power of. It is 9 to the power of 1. It is 9 to the power of 2. Now find out the value. Value nothing but its decimal number. Okay. Value we find with multiplying each weight with its digit. Okay. 9 square into 1 plus 9 to power 1 into 3 plus 9 to the power of 0 into 8 plus 9 to the power of minus 1 into 2 plus 9 to the power of minus 2 into 7. Okay, 9 square, nothing but 81. 81 is only. 9 3s are 27. 9 to the power of 0 is 1. So, 8.
16.
9 to the power of minus 1, nothing but 1 by 9. Okay, 1 by 9 by
0.22, sir.
0.22. Okay, you find this one as 2 by 9 and write down the value. Okay, here 7 by 9 square, you will get 0.086. 0.086. Add all these things. If you add, you will get 116.3
308.
30 8 ఎక్కడ వస్తుందమ్మా
8 sir, 308.
306 వస్తుంది
6 plus 2, 8, sir.
లేదు సార్ 3086 వస్తుంది
86 sir, 3086.
3086 ఓకే ఇక్కడ 0.086 కదా మనం యాడ్ చేయాల్సింది దీనికి ఇక్కడ 0 ఉన్నాయి అంటే 6 2 plus 8 2 plus 8
Sir, 2 by 9 value is 0.2222, sir. It continues.
Okay, 2222. Okay. Right. Okay. Like this, we get 116.30. 30 entama?
86.
3086. Okay, Amma. Okay. Okay. Now, this is the T086. కాదనుకుంటామా 3086 ఎలా అవుతుంది సో చెక్ చేయండమ్మా
6 sir.
Sir, 306, sir.
అదే 306 అంటున్నా ఓకే రైట్ నౌ దిస్ ఈస్ ద decimal value. Okay, this is the process. Okay, now you do one example. If you have any doubt, anyone ask me, I will clarify here. Otherwise, take one problem. The problem is 1011 base 2. Find out its value. All of you try the problem. Converting real number in base 2 into base 10. Converting real number from base 2 into base 10. became?
11.375.
Yeah, 11.375. Correct. Okay. 1011.011 base 2. Okay. Position values are, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, and after radix point, the position values are -1, -2, -3. And the weights are 2 to the power of position value. Position value is -3, -2, -1, so on up to 2 to the power of 3. Now, value is 2 to the power of 3 into 3 plus
That's 2
0
to the power of 3 into 1.
okay, sorry, yeah. 2 to the power of 3 into 1. Next, 2 to the power of 2 into 0, 0 only, no need to write. 2 to the power of 1 into 2 to the power of 1 into 1, 2 to the power of 0 into 1 plus 0 into 2 to the power of -1, 0 only, 1 into 2 to the power of -2 plus 1 into 2 to the power of -3. Okay. 2 to the power of -2, nothing but 1 by 4, 0.225. 2 to the power of -3, nothing but 1 by 8, 0.125. Okay, no?
$11.375, sir.
If you solve, okay, 0.250, 0.125, it is 0.375, and this one is 8 plus 2 plus 1 plus 0.3,
11.375, sir.
yeah, it is equal to 11.375 in decimal. Okay. We will go with one more problem and we'll do the reverse. Then reverse means from 10 to 2, how to convert. Okay, we have only 20 minutes. First we will learn the process of converting, how to convert a real number in decimal into any base number. Okay, now we are learning how to convert real number from decimal into, okay, $41.75. We are taking the number, real number, and we want to convert into base 2. And the first thing you have to do is separate real and integer parts. Separate real and integer parts. Real part, sorry, separate integer and fraction part. Integer part, fraction part. Separate these two. Okay. Integer part is 41. fraction part is 0.75. Now we know how to convert a integer number in base 10 into base 2. How we convert integer number? We convert by dividing. Through division we convert. Division convert means 2, 220, remainder 1, 210, remainder 0, 25, remainder 0, 22, remainder 1, 21, remainder 0. Now what we will do? We collect the parts from bottom to up. We collect the parts from bottom to up. So collect the numbers 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 0 1. Okay. Now fix the fraction part. This is the integer part conversion. Already we know this. Now to convert the fraction part, we have to do multiplication. For the fraction part, multiplication. Multiply the fraction part with 2. 2 into 0.75, 1.5. In this, you need to remove integer part before going further multiplication. Before going further multiplication, remove integer part. That is 1 is removed. Next, 0.5 into 2. It is 1.0. Again remove integer part. Next, you need to stop the multiplication process if you get the fraction part as 0. If the fraction part is 0, stop the further multiplication. Otherwise, you need to keep on doing multiplication. Okay. And after 5 to 8 steps, even though you are not getting fraction part 0, then stop that process. Okay. Okay. You have to do until the fraction part is 0, you have to do the multiplication. Even after 7, 8 steps, you are not getting fraction part 0, then stop the process. And now what you have to do, you collect the integers from top to bottom. You collect integers from top to bottom. In integer, okay, top to bottom, that is 1, 1. This is the conversion of base 10 into base 2. This is the conversion of base 10 into base 2. Okay, Nama? Now, like this, you do with one problem. Okay, for the conversion of integer, we are doing the division with respect to base. Respect to base is 2, so we are doing the division with respect to base, that is 2. And we are doing in the conversion. Next, to convert the fraction, we are doing the multiplication with respect to the base. That is 2 here. So we are multiplying. After multiplying, whenever you are moving from one step to another step, remove integer part. Remove integer part and do the multiplication of fraction only. Okay. Now, if you do one problem, you will understand better. 10.6875 base 10 into base 2. All of you do the problem. Meanwhile, I will take the attendance. Okay, rule number 1. Rule number 1. Okay. 2,
Present, sir.
3,
Present, sir.
4, 5, 6.
Sir.
5 present, Amma?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 6,
Present, sir.
7,
Present, sir.
8,
Present, sir.
9,
Present, sir.
10,
Present, sir.
11,
Present, sir.
12,
Yes, sir.
13, 14,
Present, sir.
15,
Present, sir.
16,
Present, sir.
17,
Yes, sir.
18.
Left the college, sir.
Okay, yeah. But generally, I keep calling 19,
Present, sir.
20,
Present, sir.
21, 22,
Present, sir.
23,
Present, sir.
24, 25, 26,
Present, sir.
27,
Present, sir.
28,
Present, sir.
29,
Present, sir.
30,
Yes, sir.
31, 32, 33,
Yes, sir.
34,
Present, sir.
35,
Present, sir.
36,
Present, sir.
37,
Present, sir.
38,
Present, sir.
39, 40,
Present, sir.
41,
Present, sir.
42,
Present, sir.
43,
Present, sir.
44,
Present, sir.
45,
Present, sir.
46,
Present, sir.
47,
Present, sir.
48,
Present, sir.
49,
Present, sir.
50,
Present, sir.
51,
Present, sir.
52,
Present, sir.
53,
Present, sir.
54,
Present, sir.
55,
Present, sir.
56, 57, 58,
Present,
50, 58 present, 59,
Present, sir.
60.
Sir, 32 mic పనిచేయట్లే అంట సార్.
Okay,
మైక్ కూడా పనిచేయట్లేదంట సార్.
60,
సార్
60 present, okay. Okay, Namma.
32 present సార్. కొంతమంది చాట్ బాక్స్ లో ప్రెజెంట్ అని పెట్టారు సార్.
అదే చూస్తున్న చాట్ బాక్స్ 13, 31, 27, 57, 25. ఓకే అమ్మా. ఓకే అమ్మా.
సార్ 32 కూడా.
32.
So the answer is 1010.1011.
Correct, Amma. Okay, Amma, I shared my number, WhatsApp number in the chat box. Add me in your group.
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. Okay. Now, the process is separate integer and fraction part. Separate. This is the first step. Separate these two. To convert integer number, we have to do the division with 2. Okay. 2, 5. Remainder is 0. 2, 2. Remainder is 1. 2, 1. Remainder is 0. Here the quotient is less than 2. You have to stop the division process and collect the values 1, 0, 1, 0. So the integer part value is 1, 0, 1, 0. Next, for the fraction part, you have to do the multiplication. And here, what is the base we need to convert 2? So you have to multiply with 2. Okay. For this, you need some calculator. Okay. And with that,
1.375.
Yeah, 1.375 in the first step. Here, eliminate integer, that is 1, and in the next multiplication process, take only fraction. 0.375 into 2. That is 0.75. Here, integer value is 0. So take next 0.75 into 2.
1.5.
1.5. Remove integer. 0.5 into 2. 1.0. Okay. Here the fraction value came 0. Stop the process. Now collect the integers from top to bottom. 1, 0, 1, 1. So our answer is 1, 0, 1, 0 dot 1, 0, 1, 1 base 2. Okay. This is the today we discussed about the real number conversion from any base into the decimal as well as from decimal to any base. Okay. Okay, we'll go with one more case. Okay. How to convert a number of from base x? Base x is anything other than 10 into base y. Base y is anything other than 10. For example, 47.31 base 8 into base 2. How to convert this number into base 2. Okay. Now we do not have any method to convert to directly from one base to another base. We do not have any method. So then we will take some intermediate step, that is first we convert base 8 into base 10, then from base 10 we convert into base 2. This is similar to the our integer part. Similarly we discussed in last classes. Okay, we do not have any direct method to convert base 8 into base 2 like that, base 8 to base 3, okay, like that. We do not have any mechanism. So we need to convert base 8 into base 10, then base 10 to base 2. Okay, all of you do this problem. Convert. Okay, here the first thing is you need to convert 47.31 in base 8 into base 10 in the step 1. In the step 2, you need to convert the answer into base 2. Okay, Amma, you solve this problem. In the next class, I will check. I will ask the answer and take one more problem also along with this one. Other problem is 175.14 in base 9 to base 3. Okay. Do these two problems. 47.31 base 8 convert into base 2. 175.14 base 9 into base 3. Okay. Today we discussed about the real number conversion. Real number consists integer part as well as fraction part. Okay. With this, we are concluding the class. We will meet in the next class. Okay, solve these two problems, 47.31. And if you have any doubt, ask me through WhatsApp group. Okay, WhatsApp group lo meeku doubt unte aa doubt తీసుకొచ్చి పెట్టండమ్మా. Okay, we will discuss and I will give you the solution. Okay, ending the class.